Hi, everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Welcome to the latest update of TapTime, version 4.0. We've added some exciting new features to enhance the functionality of your attendance management system, including the ability to print filtered attendance logs directly to your local printer. In this video, we'll take you through the details of the new update, showcase how the print function works, and guide you through the data setup, actions, and bot configuration. With the ability to print filtered attendance logs, you can now easily generate a PDF of attendance data and send it to an ePrint-Ready printer for a physical copy. Before we get into the details, let's quickly go over some of the popular printer brands that support ePrint functionality. These include HP with HP Smart, Epson with Epson Connect, Canon with Canon PRINT, Brother with Brother iPrint&Scan. These printers support cloud-based printing directly from your app, making it easy to send filtered data to the printer without extra steps. Now, let's see how the print function works. First, we've applied a filter to the attendance logs, showing the results for specific dates and employees. Once the list is ready, simply click on the print action. This will generate a PDF of the filtered content, ready to be sent to your local ePrint-Ready printer. Here's an example of the PDF file that's prepared for printing. You can see the key attendance data, including the employee, check-in and check-out times, and locations. Once the PDF is generated, it will be automatically sent to the designated printer. Next, let's take a look at how we set up the print log table, and the changes in the attendance logs table. Pre-filled name column with attendance log and counter column with 0. We've also added several new actions to support the printing functionality. Next, let's integrate the print action into the attendance by filter list slice. Now, let's move on to the bot that handles the actual ePrint functionality. Here is where we put the email that applied from the printer provider. We will show you how to get this from HP after this. To complete the setup, let's configure your ePrint-Ready printer. We'll be using the HP Smart app as an example, but this process may vary slightly depending on your printer brand. This is the printer email address that we input in the bot. To get this, make sure the web services on your printer is enabled. Once enabled, the printer will provide a unique email address that can be used for printing. That's how easy it is to use the new printing functionality in TapTime version 4.0. With this update, you can quickly filter attendance logs and send them to your local printer with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates. You can also join our membership for exclusive content and app features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.